Hey everyone, are you looking for online training? You want to know more about the course and job opportunities? Are you from non-IT background? No problem. Here's the best place where you can register for free demo at greatonlinetraining.com. Greatonlinetraining.com provides online training in different courses like SAS Clinical Training, SAS Financial Training, SAS Certification Training, SAP ABAP Training, Big Data and Hadoop Training, and more. And also, GreatOnlineTraining.com provides online training with resume preparations and job support, conducting mock interviews, 100% guarantee to clear the certification in your course. Everyday class materials, daily tasks including videos, and lots more. So what are you waiting for? Please log into www.greatonlinetraining.com and register for free demo today.
Hi guys, this is Naidu from Great Online Training and I'm from India. Today we are going to learn about how to use the SAS software. And today's concept mainly we are focusing on what are the different windows we have in SAS software and how to utilize those windows and how to write a simple SAS programs by using a SAS University Edition, that is a free software of SAS. First of all, we need to install the SAS software in your PC. How to install the SAS software, I already explained in this video. So if you want, you just click on this link so that you can learn how to install that. Once you install the SAS software in your PC, then you can able to see a icon onto your desktop that is called Oracle VirtualBox. Click on Oracle VirtualBox, then you can able to see this type of window. In this window we have a general, system, display, storage and all the options. Leave it. So just click on start. There is an option, it's a green color, click on start. Once you click on start, automatically it will display the black screen and you will get some pop-ups. Just leave it. So we don't want these pop-ups. It will take while based on your system performance. So this is a free software only. It's already available on the internet.
Hi, Naidu.
Yes, continue, madam.
Meanwhile, it's installing. I had a question.
Yes, continue.
Is this SAS Studio same as the same thing?
Yeah, exactly. We can say it as a SAS Studio. Yes, you are right.
Okay. And I had one more question, which is regarding the certification. Does this online class also include the exam, the certification, exam?
Yes, exam. So we are just giving all the course and all those things, whatever is required for the certification of your SAS base, SAS advanced and SAS clinical and business analyst certification also. This 4 certification you can able to finish it off after finishing this training of mine.
So after finishing the training, we can take our exams
Yes.
on our own.
Yes. I will show you so what to read and how to read and what are the things. So it's a exam is just a 70% you need to get it to pass in the exam. Okay. So I will tell you what exactly exam scenario and all. Most of the times it's a multiple choice questions only. All are. No need to write any program or anything. Okay.
Can we take all the 3 certifications altogether?
That's your wish here. First you need to go for base SAS certification. So once you done
Okay.
with the base SAS certification, then you are eligible to write advanced SAS certification.
Okay.
So
Okay.
or else if you want to directly go for clinical SAS certification, you can go for
Mm-hmm.
it, no issue in that. And after that, again you can go for base SAS and again advanced. Or else you
Okay.
already have a base SAS certification, then you
Mm-hmm.
need to write one more exam called base SAS acceleration. So that is
Okay.
called related to clinical SAS certification. That means you can hold your base SAS certification already, then you are trying to
Mm-hmm.
grab one more certificate of your clinical thing. Then you will get that
Okay.
also. And then you can
Okay.
automatically go for advanced SAS. Once you have the base certification in your hand, then you can go for advanced certification at any time. But my kind suggestion for everyone, just try to complete the base as certification and remaining certifications, you just put it for pending. Once you join a job, all the pharmaceutical companies, they are just spending some funds to their employees to get
Mm-hmm.
done the certifications. My kind
Okay.
suggestion is,
Okay.
so just try to get the job first, and once you get a job, still you are interested to do the certifications, then in that time approach from your company, so the company will pay you, so for that certification purpose, whatever the money you are just spending it, that will be, you can redeem it in company itself. So that's what happening,
Okay.
and that's what happening in my company also. Every company, that is a policy. The employee need to learn more things and need to get the certification, so
Mm-hmm.
organizations need to pay.
Okay.
Yep, that's it. Okay guys, and
So with this,
yes, continue.
sorry, with the
Yeah, yeah,
same thing, I had one more question.
yes.
Like after doing this course,
Mm-hmm.
like can we immediately take an exam, or we need more, I mean, learning time
uh,
or something like that?
as per your practice and how much time you spend on SAS software will always matters. I will show you. If you are just
Okay.
daily
Okay.
learning, taking my classes every day, you are not leaving even single part, means single word also, whatever I'm teaching every day, you're just learning as it is. So
Mm-hmm.
within a 20th class you can able to write your certification, so no need to
Okay.
have any
Okay.
time.
Okay.
Suppose,
That's nice.
yeah, suppose if you are lacking somewhere, you are not practicing somewhere, and you are a bit of something gap, then compulsory you need to take at least 1 or 2 weeks time. And
Okay.
meanwhile, there are the books like SAS Programming Essential 1 and SAS Programming Essential 2 and SAS Certification Preparation Guide and SAS Publishing Learning by Examples Run Coding. These are the four books are like a hot like anything for the certification purpose. Fine. Any questions?
Yeah, you can go ahead.
Okay then, thank
Thank
you.
you.
Okay, so right now you can able to see the screen like HTTP localhost, means reminding all the stuff it is showing. Welcome to your SAS University Edition virtual application and blah blah blah. Just leave it. So you need to make sure about the HTTP colon double slash localhost 10080. So what you need to do is just minimize your virtual box first, and then go here. Now just type that. What is that? HTTP colon double slash localhost and 10080. You just type it. So then it will show up with a new window that is called SAS information system. That is called SAS Studio. We can say it as a start SAS Studio. Click on the SAS Studio. Then it will open. It will take some time. I told you earlier also, it is based on your system performance. Your system having 4 GB, it will work faster. You have a 2 GB, it will take more time. And it is based on your motherboard capability also, most of the times. So it is signing up. So no need to have any login details or anything. It automatically sign up. So again, you will get this screen, and later on, it is going to be changed as a SAS software. See, right now you can able to see all the SAS Studio. So in the SAS Studio, first I will just explain the options. Like here you can able to see the SAS Studio, and come this side. Here you can able to see a new SAS program, new query, close all the tabs, maximize and minimize view, and all those options you can able to get it here. So this is the search option here. You can able to search it, and then again you have like edit and auto exec file, view and preferences, reset SAS options and all. Most of the times you will not use this all options anymore. Once you want to use it, then you will get to habitate what are the options and what is the use and all. I'm not exploring more things on that particular options right now. So right now our option, our concept is just seeing the code window. This is the code window. Code window is nothing but whatever the program you want to write it, you just write it in the code window. And second one is called log. So in the log is nothing but showing all the messages. See, it is showing log, errors, warnings and notes messages. All you can able to see in a log messages. And when I come into the result is nothing but, suppose just imagine I have done one survey on one particular village. I want to produce the report of the people who are having alcohol habit with age greater than 18 years. I want to see the report. That report you can able to get it displayed here. For that you need to write the code here in the code window. Automatically that reports you can able to see in result window. So here you can able to understand, one is code window to writing the program, log is to correcting that particular program what you have written in the code, and result window it will completely display of your output what is required. That's it. This three windows is very important. And apart from that, there is a one more window called libraries. So this is called, we can say it in a original software, we are calling it as a explorer window, but here it is a libraries mainly. So you can see the libraries right now in the SAS. We have three different libraries. One is SAS help and SAS user and work, but web work is the I have created, just forget about that. But default SAS help, SAS user and work is the default. Don't imagine. So this, all those things I need to note it down, and I need to maintain the running notes and all those stuff. Don't worry about that. No need to have any running notes or anything. In the first time you are seeing all this interface and all, maybe you are new. From tomorrow onwards we are opening the same thing and talking about the same things again and again. So you will get to habitate of this all the options and features of your SAS software. No need to remember anything, but you just remember in a SAS libraries we have a three types of libraries: SAS help, SAS user and work is the three default libraries. That's it. Okay, so this is all about the SAS software. And one more thing you need to learn, that is called Runningboy like a symbol. You can click on F3 button of your keyboard, or else you can see the a Runningboy like a symbol here, but it is not highlighting. Why? Because you have not written any code. If you write some code and then you select the code, then automatically that Runningboy will be highlighted. Okay, first what we will see is, just I'll write it a small code. So here you need to learn like basics. Whenever you want to write any program in SAS software, compulsory you need to start with a data keyword. So here you are writing a keyword called data. See, when I'm writing DAT, it is not giving any blue color or anything. It is just displayed it in a black color only. Once you have written as a data, then it is showing as a blue color, automatically turned into blue. The reason behind that is SAS keywords. That means the SAS default keywords, some of the keywords which is already available, it will be displayed as a this thick blue color. And apart from that, the university edition, the best usage is you can able to see that what is the use of that statement and how to use it and what is the syntax and all those things you can able to see in a university edition. That's the reason why. So mainly the initial people are startup people, they're just liking this software. So you don't know what is data, but when you're typing data, automatically it will give the description about what is the use of that particular data keyword, what is the use. Got it? And apart from that, just imagine for today you're trying to create one Excel sheet by using SAS software. I'm giving my Excel sheet name as a Naidu. Okay, that means data Naidu and semicolon. Semicolon is the statement is used for just terminating of your SAS statement, nothing but. Just imagine, we already know that when you're writing some paragraph, you want to stop one sentence, you will give the full stop. It's the same way here also in programming. So whenever you want to write something, So whenever you want to write something, so like statements, it will be end with a semicolon. So you can write the multiple semicolons also. It will not get affected. But as per the GPP, good programming practice, always you need to write one semicolon. So that means data, Naidu, and semicolon. That means one statement is done. So if you want it, you can write your program from here onwards. There is no harm in that. You can continuously writing after semicolon also. But you should not do that. As per the GPP, GPP is nothing but good programming practice. So just imagine you are the programmer, you're writing your code in the real time also. You're writing your code and you're just producing output. You're thinking that the output is 100% right. As per your view, yes, that output is 100% right. When third person is looking or second person is looking into your report, then he get to know that what mistake you have done. So in that case, when the second person, see, you are the programmer. In industry, we have a one more person called reviewer. Whatever the programs you have written, the reviewer will review your program. When he is trying to review your program, the program need to be in a proper order. You need to understand what you have written as a program. So that's the reason why if you are writing your program as a programmer, you need to always follow the GPP, good programming practice. Come here, then you need to write the second line. See, when you are giving a enter, automatically second row will be created automatically. If I'm giving one more enter, third row, one more row. So that means the row numbers will be automatically created by SAS itself. I'm not doing anything. Okay, guys, and now see here, data I'm writing, just give a space, input. So input is the statement is used for what? See, the input is already described here. Just see here. What is the use of input? Input is mainly just to giving the columns. Columns is nothing but what? So if we are looking into your Excel sheet, we have a rows and columns. Columns is nothing but variables in SAS terminology, and rows is nothing but observations. If you want, note it down. That's your wish. So in SAS terminology, we are calling it as a columns are called variables and rows are called observations. This is the base SAS certification question. At least one time, one question on this in base SAS. So in the input, you are giving input like okay, just imagine you can write student or else PID. Okay, gender. Okay, PID, gender, and name, and semicolon. So PID is nothing but it is not a separate keyword. It is a patient ID, gender of that patient, and name of that patient. So that means as per our view right now, we have created three columns. One is called PID, gender, and name. But if you're just looking into that, why I need to maintain the spaces between the each variable wise? Is there any requirement? Can I write it like this? PID, gender, and name without giving it spaces? Yes, you can write it. The problem is it will take it as a PID gender name will be one variable only. So whenever you maintain the spaces here, then only SAS thinks that that is a new columns. That means PID is one column, gender is one column, and name is one column. Suppose just imagine unexpectedly you forget to put the spaces here, then it will be like a four variables. One is PID, second one is gen, and third one is der, and fourth one is your name. It will think like that SAS. SAS don't know that what we are writing here. SAS always thinks that they wanted this. That's it. GEN they want it, DER they want it. So you need to make sure what you are writing it in the programming. So input PID gender name is the variable you have created. That means the second statement also done. Then go for third one. So third one you need to write the statement called data lines. When you are writing data lines, data lines. So just give the semicolon. What is the purpose of data lines? Most of the people have this question. Data lines is the statement is used for to giving a raw data to the SAS. Raw data in the sense, see, you have created Excel sheet name Naidu, that is fine, and you have created your columns PID, gender, and name is the variables you have created, that is also fine. And now you need to give the data PID, nothing but patient ID 100, gender male, and name I'll put it as a Raju. So I'll put it another person 200, female, and Rani. I'll write it, and I'll write one more person 300 and male. Okay, so here 100 with male Raju and 200 with female Rani and 300 with male and Ram. So we have it. But here why I am not giving a semicolons after each line wise? After the fourth line I'm not giving, after the fifth line also I'm not giving, sixth line also I'm not giving, and seventh line I'm giving. So when you are mentioning a semicolon here, SAS thinks that all the statements is wrong. So as per our GPP, you need to write the semicolon here only, and then click run statement here. That's it. What you have written? Data, your data set name Naidu. After that, so you are giving, so you are giving 100, sorry, input PID, gender, name, and data line statement. 100 male with Raju, 200 female with Rani, and 300 male with Ram and all, and semicolon you have given, and run statement. That's it. Once you have written a run, automatically you will get one line here. See this? That means data onwards up to run block is called data step block. We have created the data step block right now. So what I'll do is I'll select the total program by using mouse control, click on the running boy like a symbol. So what I'll do is click on running boy like symbol. It is running my program. See, right now you can able to see some messages here. What are those messages? Invalid data for gender in line 62, invalid data for name and all. So right now if you just see into this, PID with 100 it is fine, PID with 200 is fine, PID with 300 is fine, but gender is missing, gender is missing, and gender is missing, and name is missing, and name is missing here and is missing. And default you need to understand underscore error underscore n underscore will be the default variables will be created in SAS. When you run any program, default underscore error underscore and underscore n underscore also will be created right now. So what is this error? So underscore n underscore is nothing but observation 1. Observation 1 you have a error, observation 2 you have a error, observation 3 you have a error. That means in 3 rows also we have an errors. What are those errors? Gender and name values are missing, and PID is displaying properly. Can anyone imagine what happening here? Why the only PID is displaying? Why not the gender? Why not the name? You just unmute if you want, you can tell the answer.
PID is like numeric and gender and name are characters.
Exactly, Ranjita. So PID is nothing but numerics, and remaining gender and name variables all are like a characters. So what is the problem generally? SAS can able to read the numerical values by default, but not the character values. If you want to read that character values by SAS, you need to mention the dollar sign. So the dollar sign you need to write it after your variable name. So once you have written the dollar sign after your variable name, then SAS will think that it is a character data. Presence and absence of dollar sign, then we can say that variable is it character or numeric. Right now we can straightly say that PID is a numeric, gender is a character data. So dollar sign makes the all the variables into characters. When you are mentioning dollar sign, that variable converted as a character data. So what I write now, I'll just run the program again and submit it. Automatically the log of ever means the previous log will be just vanish. That means the overwriting capability we can able to see it in a this SAS Studio. Automatically the existing log will be overwritten and you will get the new. See, without any errors or warning messages, anything. But still we have some notes messages. The note is saying that work.naidu. That means whatever the data you have saved with the name of Naidu, it is just get saved in the work library. See, right now you can able to see Naidu here. That is what it's saying in the log message. So what it is saying, the data set work.naidu has 3 observations and 3 variables. So just double click on that, then you can able to see right now PID, gender and name variable. Right now you can able to see PID, gender and name. And name is the variable, you are just creating it here. The 3 variables, it's already available and the data also available. But unfortunately, what is the use of result window? Result window is completely blank. We are not able to see anything on the result window. How we are going to see some reports or results in result window? So you need to write some program. That means that is not enough to print something in your output window. You need to write separate program for that. So you need to write called procedure. Proc means procedure. Procedure data equal to what data set you are giving. Can anyone tell me what is the data set name? Naidu. Good. So Naidu is the data set, you are writing it, and run is the semicolon you are giving it. That's it. That's fine. It is. So you just select this particular 2 lines of code is enough. That's it. That simple it is. Just again running boy like a symbol. Now you can able to see your report, but sometimes some error message it's going. So what is that? Procedure data not found. What happened here? Go there. So proc data I have given, but I'm given a mistake like print. So proc print, that means you are telling to the SAS to print it. Proc print data equal to your dataset name and run it. Then only it is correct one. Select it and run it. See, your report has created right now. See, 100 with male with Raju and 200 with female and Ronnie and 300. At the same time, you can able to see the dataset in work library also. The purpose of data onwards up to run step is just used for to creating a data set. Once you have a data set in your work library or somewhere, then you can write the proc print to producing of your outputs. That's it. Fine. So right now you can able to see this is the total program what you have written and now how you got it. Okay, right now I want to see how many males and how many females in the data. Right now it is very 2 members, that means 3 members. Then you can easily say that you have 2 males and 1 female. But if the number quantity is more, just imagine you have around 2000 people you have in that particular data. Then you want to see that how many people are male and how many people are female, and what is their percentages. Suppose if you are taking total 100 percentage, what is the male percentage and what is the female percentage? I want to see all. Then you need to write a few more programs for that. What is that? Proc. Don't worry, proc print we are talking about complete 1 day. Proc frequency we are complete talking about 1 day. Proc means we are completing talking about 1 day. So right now freq, nothing but frequency you are calculating it. Data equal to, what is your dataset name? Naidu, and semicolon and run. That's it. So when you are calculating a proc frequency, then you can able to see frequency based on the all variables wise. See, you just forget about all, just talking about this table. Female is 1 person and male is 2 persons. If you are taking total 100%, 33.33 percentage will be the females, 66.67 percentage will be the males. See, total 100% it is equal. What is cumulative frequency? It is 1 person, 33%. Total 3 persons, 100 percentage. I will tell you about these things detailed manner later on. So right now you can able to see these messages here. So right now why you are getting for PID wise also, gender wise also, name wise also you are getting. That means default you are giving for all the variables wise. Suppose do you think that I don't want to display for all the variables, just write the table statement. No need to remember all those things right now. So because we are going to learn this concept again complete day as a one topic, like proc frequency, we are completing it one day. Proc means we are talking about one day. So like that. So don't worry, for it is a very first day you are talking about, but I am showing how the SAS software is working. So which variable you need to write? Table statement based on the gender wise you are giving and semicolon. Run this, and right now you can able to see only gender wise only. That's it. I will tell you what are the statements and options and what you need to write. Or else you want to get a, just imagine you're printing something. I don't want to print all the data. I want to print only Raju. So then where you can write another conditions where name equal to double quotes. I can write Raju semicolon. So what happened? Instead of printing the total data, it will print only Raju information into your output. See, only Raju information get displayed. Or else the people who are males, nothing but gender wise, I want to display how many males in the data. Gender equal to male, I want it, so that you can able to produce only the males information. See, males Raju and Ram. Got it? Like this type of programs we can learn, and we can learn by step by step. So in later on classes we will learn. First you need to understand what is SAS programming, what are the different windows in SAS software, how to run the SAS software, and what are the different libraries we have it in SAS software, and how the SAS software interface and look like, and all those stuff you can able to see right now. That's it. Have any questions up to here? No questions? Okay.